Hi Almas,
Hey doctor, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good, thank you.
So I just want some feedback from your side of about our clinic.
Sure.
So just give us a brief introduction about yourself and
Cool. So I'm Almas. I stay in Bangalore. Used to stay very close to the clinic, but now I moved to Electronic City, and I still come here only for all my dental cares. Even though I have like dentists in my apartment, etc., I still prefer Sujay because I've been coming here for really long. I think we started coming here since 2019. I've always relied on Sujay's dental care for all my dental needs and my family's. My mom, brother, sister, all of us have come here. We've done like a range of treatments and always reliable, very hospitable. This place feels like family to me. I know it's a hospital, but always feels like family to me.
can you just talk about what all treatments that you've undergone here and your family members?
Sure, I can.
Yeah.
I'll start with me. So I have like an implant. I also got my braces done. So I have a deep bite. So I got my entire braces done by Dr. Janish. And I have retainers put. And I keep coming here for my annual dental checkups and keep getting scaling and the entire process done. For my mom, so she's like 58, 59 years old. I needed someone who I can really trust and count on because even the slightest thing can cause a lot of pain. But I could definitely rely on Sujay's dental care and Dr. Sujay himself because he personally did 3 extractions for her, got implants put, and she also keeps coming here for her regular checkups. My sister had braces before this, but she had a relapse of the entire gap, so she got retainers put again here, and my brother also come here for implants. So all in all, I think we've got like a range of procedures done of everything that has been offered here, from like scans to implants to like braces to extractions. I think we've done everything. So yeah.
How do you feel about the treatments per se, or what technologies, or why did you choose our clinic?
So again, right, I think I've seen the clinic from really long, and I think even 5 years back they had a cutting edge technology. So at no point would I be scared that, is this technology good enough, because I can trust that this will be the best technology in the market, including my crowns, right? I think I got a zirconium crown back then itself, and I have like a 30-year or 35-year international warranty on my implants. So it's always been the best in class, I can say, equipment that is being used. And even the attachments, right, even the implants or even my braces when we were using, it would always be the most latest technology that is being used, and it would never cause harm, or I would never have a second thought, is this the latest, because I would always believe that this is the latest.
And can you talk about that single day crown which we did for you? The same day scan and same day crown.
Yeah, I can. So I think, so I moved to Electronic City and I had to come back for the treatment here, and I couldn't come back multiple times. So we did the entire thing. So usually it takes 3 sittings to, like, you come here for a scan, you go back, and then they check the crown, and then you come back and put it. But for me, I think this entire thing was comprised into 1 day of procedure. I think about 4 hours we managed to finish everything. I came, did a scan, because they had a latest technology, they could envision the crown then and there in about half an hour, 45 minutes. I think the crown was ready. We checked for fitment, there were slight changes, so we managed to incorporate the changes and still fit the crown in just 4 hours end to end, and I think that was very helpful. Even for my mom, I think we did a root canal, and I couldn't get her multiple times. So the session that normally takes 4 hours, 4 sittings for someone who's that elder, where you just do the roots first and then you do the entire procedure, I think the sutures and everything, we managed to do that also in 1 sitting for her. So in terms of both time and the effort, I think, so the reason that I keep coming back again, like counting on that here, is the doctors always make you feel at home. If even when they're doing a procedure, you want a break, you can tell them, and they'll be hospitable about it and not like get angry on you for whatever reason. They'll give you the comfort of telling you what the procedure is. They'll clearly explain it to you. I ask a lot of doubts, so they'll clearly explain you what exactly they're going to do, in how many sittings, how long would it take, and wonderful operating time, right? They would never, I think the anesthesia has always helped, but the comfort that you see in a doctor's face when they're operating on you helps a lot, and I think that's what has helped me. And there's a lot of post care. So I really had this tough extraction, if I can say. My tooth had bent and gone into my gums. It took quite an effort of them to get the extraction out, but they managed to do it successfully, and did like continuous irrigation post that for a week, and the entire wound healed within like a week, whereas usually I've heard my friends tell me that it takes them a month etc. to heal. So even the post-op care has been brilliant at Sujay. Always recommend Sujay. Please do visit them.
Thank you. You have been a very kind and very helpful in recommending a lot of patients for us.
Always a pleasure.
Keep doing it.
Yeah.
So that and also would you like to recommend to your extended families and friends?
Yes, definitely. Always would recommend Sujay. And I think like if somebody asks me dental, I grew up here, so grew up in this area for 20 years. My family, friends, a lot of them are here. So anybody who says me dental, I'm like, please go to Dr. Sujay. Always trustworthy.
Thank you, Almas.
Cool. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah.